Let's get started. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of zbet.com. My name is Yash, and I am a live stream host over here who will be taking care of your crypto journey for the next 4 hours. In these 4 hours, whatever doubt, whatever caution, whatever education, whatever trade you require from my side, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will provide you each and every detail on this live stream, that to live. Okay, before moving forward, there are two to three things which I want to discuss with you. First is that my live feed is going through a different platforms. Okay, the app live which you can see me, it's coming through 3 to 4 different platforms. Okay, now you have to understand this one point, that whenever you see me live, it's not actually like at a current time. My video will come a little 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute late to you. Okay, so if you have commented something, if you have made a comment asking me anything, asking for help, asking for doubt, I would request you all people to stay in the live stream for at least, when you have made a comment, stay till at least 5 minutes, because I can see the comment, but when I make any reply to it, that reply video is coming very delayed to you, which can be 1 to 2 to 3 minute delay to you. So I would request all of you people that don't think that I'm not replying to you and I'm just doing something which I am doing. No. Whenever I see a comment, the first response I make is to greet them, to solve them, to help them. Okay, for that just have some patience, because it's a live stream, and it, like, as you can see, it may can lag. Okay, I am right now in my present, but the thing which you are watching can be a little delayed. Okay, like for example, I have moved my hand right now, and this moving hand to you will come maybe 1 to 2 minute delayed. Okay, that's why whenever you make any comment, any question, any answer, whatever thing you require from my side, just have some patience, wait for a minute. I sure respond to every of the comment section. I respond to every of those things which you want from me. Okay, so just have some patience, nothing else. Secondly, this live stream, don't just think that I came and I will talk about something and I will leave. No, as it's a live stream going live, you can ask me anything. Okay, this is a one pit stop for you, so that you can come grab an opportunity to solve your doubt on a live. It is not like you have asked me and I will respond you for 20 to 30 minutes. No, I'll respond you then and there. Whatever problem you are having, I will solve it then and there. Got it? Other than these things, I also want to tell you this thing, that please do not lose this opportunity. Just a second, I forgot something. So I just request you all people to stay calm. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity you get. Like everything, whatever you want to know, I can teach you in this live stream. You just have to give it a time. You just have to have a patience. You cannot understand a complete crypto market, the most difficult and the most profitable market, in 5 minutes or in 10 minutes or in 15 minutes. You have to give it some time. Whenever you ask some question that I don't know how to trade, that I don't know how to trade question, I cannot give you answer for 5 minutes. So you staying in the live stream for longer period is just gonna help you in achieving more knowledge, more skill, and more profit from the live stream. Okay, I usually spend my first 2 hours in educating you all people, in decoding the most difficult market for all of you people in whatever term it is. I decoded the ways of gaining a profitable trade, what's happening outside the crypto market, what can we do with this. Every of those things I discuss over here. And plus, in the like after my topic is over, whatever I've thought about, like I will discuss with you, everything is over. Then we move toward live trading. This is not a fake trading. This is not a paper trading. It's a live trading with the real money, which I am doing over here. So whenever, sorry. So whenever I give you any kind of a trade, please make sure to understand to be ready with your deposit. Like when I give you trade, that entry comes like this. Even though maybe there might be a point that you can get the same entry 2 to 3 times, but be ready with a deposit, as in make your money available in the market, available in your bank, available in your available amount over there, so that you can gain that money and invest that money. The deposit in through a Zbit might take some time, like it may take let's say it may take 15 to 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so whenever you come on the live stream, the first thing you all people should do is click on the deposit button. Can you see over here? Yes, this is that deposit button over here. Click on that button, make your deposit, and wait for the signal which I provide to all of you. Okay, and yes, till now we are not having any losses, and that's a very good thing. Wood touch, that's a very good thing. But again, at the same point, I want to tell you that whatever signal I give you, I am really happy for all of you people that you are putting trust on me. But I ain't a god. Sometime I may go wrong as well. So in those cases, always understand this one thing, that the market is a place which is unpredictable. You may face a profit for 10 days, but 11th or 12th day, you may face loss as well. And that is completely fine. We know how to take from market, and market also knows how to take from us. So this battle will be going on between us and the market forever. Market is not just a giver who is just going to give you profit. Sometime market takes loss as well. Sometime market takes profit from you as well, which is your loss. So always have a strong psychology that every loss is not actually a loss in the like loss in your money has gone or something. Every loss should be taken as a lesson, that what went wrong and how can I avoid the same thing for my next trade. As obviously this is a very new times that all of the people are doing trading, all of the people are coming into the market, all of the people are trading in the crypto. Everything is new. Whenever we start something new, there are always a chance that we may fall, but getting up and rising and running again is the key which we should understand. Got it? Plus, on top of these things, there are just two things which I would love to share with you. Because see, every new user, I provide them one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. You have to understand this, that it depends only if you are a new user. Plus, that you have to do the deposit from the live stream option. See, doing a deposit from the home page and doing a deposit from the live stream has no difference other than one thing. From live stream, I provide you gift, you get a gift, you get benefits. And doing from the homepage, you get the amount but you don't get any benefits, you don't get any gifts. That's the only key difference. Now you have the choice you have to make. If you are a new user, if you do it from my deposit button, like basically the live stream deposit button, I will provide you a one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. I get it. Dogecoin is not that much expensive coin, but anything which you get on free, just take it. What if your like your luck may affect it? What if your touch may affect it? Dogecoin is right now trading at 0.1. Maybe whenever, like you all people know, meme coins are trend based coins. They are not fundamental coins, they are trend based coins. Maybe next month, maybe 5 months, maybe 6 months, a trend will come and we can see that the Dogecoin is having a very huge surge of price from 0.1. It may straight up go to, let's say, $3, $4, $5, and that's your profit right over there. So don't lose this. Anything, any cryptocurrency you get in a free, just accept it. You never know when that zero thing can turn up to a big thing. Bitcoin was exactly the same. Bitcoin was never the different. Bitcoin used to trade at 0 point something, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 10, then 20. Nobody thought that that shitty coin, which is trading at just 0.00 something, can turn up to the world's most expensive coin today. Nobody accepted, nobody thought about it. So, any coins which we provide to you free, just accept it. Maybe things might change. Okay. And for that, I already told you what you need to do is just click on my live stream deposit over here and follow the procedure. Deposit minimum $3. Minimum $3 is required for all of you people. $3 in, if I talk about an Indian money, in Indian money, $3 is nothing other than 300 rupees. Okay. So all the new users, okay. And let me just explain you a little bit in Hindi. मैं ये चीज बता रहा हूँ आप सब लोगों को कि अगर आप मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आके पहला डिपॉजिट करते हो, अपना पहला, ये सिर्फ नए यूजर के लिए है, पुराने यूजर के लिए ये गिफ्ट नहीं है। ठीक है। अगर आप मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम के, ये यहाँ पे जो डिपॉजिट दिख रहा है आपको, लाइव स्ट्रीम के नीचे जो डिपॉजिट बटन दिखता है, इसको आप क्लिक करके अगर आप प्रोसीजर फॉलो करते हो, फियाट डिपॉजिट पे क्लिक करके केवल केवल 300 रुपए, 300 रुपए होता है हमारा 3 USDT। ये मेरा 300 रुपए है, उसमें मुझे कितना मिलता है? आई विल गेट 3.26 USDT, $3। अगर आप $3 डिपॉजिट करते हो अपने अकाउंट में आज, कोई भी यूपीआई पेमेंट के थ्रू, जो भी आपको पिक करना है, तो मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करता हूं कितना? एक डोज कॉइन कंप्लीटली फ्री में। सिर्फ 300 का डिपॉजिट करके आपको एक डोज कॉइन पूरा कंप्लीटली फ्री में मिलता है। तो प्लीज ये अच्छे जो ऑफर, ये जो गिफ्ट होते हैं, ये सब आप लोगों के लिए होता है, ये मिस मत किया करो। ओके। नेक्स्ट, एक और रिवॉर्ड है। अभी यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हो, गेट 200 ट्रेडिंग क्रेडिट, प्रॉफिट आर योर्स। अब ये चीज कैसे पाए? ये एक और गिफ्ट है। ठीक है। नाउ ये गिफ्ट कैसे मिलता है? ये गिफ्ट $3 डिपॉजिट करके नहीं मिलता है। एंड ये जो डिपॉजिट, ये जो गिफ्ट है $200 का, जो फ्री में मिलता है आपको, ये सारे लोगों के लिए, ये सिर्फ नए यूजर के लिए नहीं है। ये सब के सब जो भी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे अभी तक जिन्होंने ये $200 फ्री में अभी तक नहीं लिया है, ये उन सभी लोगों के लिए। इसमें करना क्या है? सिंपल सा है। आप कुछ दोगे, मैं उसका 10 गुना आपको रिटर्न करूंगा। मतलब जब आप मेरे डिपॉजिट बटन पे क्लिक करके $20 यानी $20 का डिपॉजिट करते हो, तो मैं आपके अकाउंट में 200 यानी $200 डिपॉजिट करता हूं, जो केवल आपको ट्रेड लेने के लिए काम है। अब आप $200 का जब ट्रेड लेते हो, उसमें जब आपको जब बड़ा प्रॉफिट मिलेगा, हो सकता है $50 का मिले, हो सकता है 90 का मिले, हो सकता है $100 का भी प्रॉफिट मिले। ये प्रॉफिट जो है, ये आप विड्रॉ कर सकते हो। दूसरे ट्रेड में यूज करना है, दूसरे ट्रेड में यूज करो, उसके ऊपर आपकी मर्जी होती है। आपको कल निकालना है, आप कल निकाल लो। बट एक चीज याद रखना, ये डिपॉजिट के बाद मिलता है। का कितना डिपॉजिट? 20 का। यहाँ पे भी मैं, एक सेकंड, अगर मैं यहाँ पे बैक करके आपको दिखाऊं, अगर मेरी बातों पे विश्वास नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे ये गिफ्ट देख रहे हो, ये गिफ्ट का ऑप्शन है यहाँ पे, राइट? अगर आप ये गिफ्ट के ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करते हो, तो आपको यहाँ क्या देखने मिलता है? रिवॉर्ड, डिपॉजिट रिवॉर्ड, और यहाँ क्या है? ये डिपॉजिट 20 USDT टू गेट 200। पर ये वाले डिपॉजिट पे क्लिक मत करना। डिपॉजिट कहां से करना है? डिपॉजिट आपको सिर्फ लाइव स्ट्रीम के डिपॉजिट से करना है। समझ में आ गया? $20 डिपॉजिट करोगे, 10 गुना ज्यादा यानी $200 मिलता है, जो आप ट्रेड लो, उसमें ट्रेड में जो भी प्रॉफिट मिलेगा, आप उस प्रॉफिट को विड्रॉ करो, यूज करो, फेंक दो, या कुछ भी करो, या आपकी मर्जी होती है। समझ में आ गई चीज? बड़ी सिंपल चीज है। ये दो गिफ्ट है जो अभी इस पॉइंट पे एक्टिव है सारे लोगों के लिए। ठीक है। ये केवल सिर्फ सबके लिए, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि ये गिने चुने लोगों के लिए नहीं, गिने चुने लोगों के लिए है वैसे, जो सिर्फ लाइव स्ट्रीम में आते हैं और जो लाइव स्ट्रीम में ये चीजें देखते हैं और समझते हैं, ये उन्हीं को, उन्हीं के लिए डिपॉजिट है, उन्हीं के लिए गिफ्ट है। जो लोग लाइव स्ट्रीम में नहीं आते, जो लोग लाइव स्ट्रीम में नहीं सुनते हैं या फिर वो गिफ्ट नहीं समझते, ये वो तो उनको तो पता भी नहीं है कि जीबिट ऐसा गिफ्ट प्रोवाइड भी कर रहा है। तो अगर ऐसे गिफ्ट चाहिए तो ये डिपॉजिट का बटन है, इसी डिपॉजिट बटन से हमेशा आप डिपॉजिट किया करो एंड इसी से जो भी आपको गिफ्ट मिलते हैं वो लिया, फ्री गिफ्ट। ठीक है। अब इसके अलावा आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन द सेम थिंग इन इंग्लिश 1 minute. I was talking about like if you are an existing user, you are not a new user, but you are already using Zbit, you are already have taken a trade and blah blah thing, everything has done. For all of you people, there is a deposit reward of 200. We are providing, like a lot of people have this one thing that we don't have money to trade in the account, we don't have amount to trade and blah blah thing. Okay, and I get it. Okay, I get it. Like cryptocurrency may look very risky asset, like I don't know, if I invest my money it might go wrong, it might go loss. But for that, we are offering you for a first time only is $200 free of. But for that, what you need to do is deposit 20. Obviously, to provide you such a big amount to you directly is not like worthy. So for that, you need to put what? 200 to 20, sorry, $20 deposit through the live stream deposit button, and I will provide you a 200 USDT to take a trade. Okay, that amount is only for taking trade, not for withdrawal, not for anything. To take the trade only. Once you take a trade in those, whatever profit you got from that, that you can withdraw very easily. Okay. And please, one more last thing, I would love to request you all people that can you see a more option over here? Yes, this is a three dot option. Click on this and join my Telegram channel. I provide crypto signals. I provide all the details over here, like what kind of trade we will take today. Is there any long-term signals as well in the Bitcoin or any other coins which I see? I provide over there. Any market update I also provide, and plus on top of that, every single day when I am on the live stream, I take a trade and I give you trade as well. Since like almost 9 days, every trades are going in just profit, 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 and profit. And that's a very good thing. So every of those people as well who are having difficulties, like I don't know how to trade, I don't know which coin to trade, do not worry, because you can come on the live stream, you can ask me, I will provide you the trade, you take the trade, I get profit, you get profit, you happy, I happy. See, so please do not forget to join the Telegram group over here. Why I'm telling you group? Because see, sometime I come live stream only for 4 hours. That's it. That's it. Like whole 24 hours, I come live stream for just 4 hours. In this 4 hours of live stream, there might be a time where, like after the 4 hours, after the live stream, there might be a time where you need help of mine. Like I don't know about this, I need a help and blah 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 things, whatever happened, whatever wrong, or if there is any signal which is happening after the live stream, I may provide to you in that group as well. So that's the one reason why you should have a Telegram group, because you can connect with me even after the live stream over there. You can ask me any questions in that group over there. I will provide you all the details, all the help, and every of those things. Understood? So, on that note, let's just start our live stream. Before starting a live stream, let's just discuss what happened yesterday. Okay, our yesterday's trade we will discuss. As you can see over here, my yesterday's trade profit was $187. That is my yesterday's trade profit. And on top of that, are like maybe a lot of other people have also got a good amount of profit, I feel. Okay, so in that thing, as you have seen my yesterday's profit over here, which is $187. Let me explain you why I went for that trade, what we did, what was our take profit, and every of those things and every of those things. Okay. Because if I explain you how I took the trade, which gave me 187 profit, maybe the next time if that same thing happens in the market, and even if I am not there to tell you, you can take the action and you can take the trade as well. The first thing what we notice is, see, any coin, any coin which is falling straight down, which is no, I'm not talking about the movement which is happening like this is the movement, one movement, and this is another movement. Okay, whenever this movement happens, if you are watching any coins, okay, if you're watching any coins and whenever you see this movement, don't, because this can create confusions, this can create your like, it can hit your stop loss very easily because it's all the time going up and coming down, going up and coming down. This might trigger your SL as well. But at a time when you are saying just a market is dropping down like this, that's the point. What, when the big player or SL, which is the smart money, is right now inside the market, and that's the most perfect point to enter for us. Because do not enter when retailers are there, because they invest with less. Like, you know what money we invest with. Some people invest with, say, I invested yesterday, I don't know, so maybe 50, 60, 70 something dollar I invest. Some people may invest 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That is a very less money to give a movement in the market. Movement comes from the big people, the one who invest big money. Okay, understand that thing first. After that, when I saw that the market was giving me a very clean movement for the downwards, it was not giving me like zigzag, zigzag, like making lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high. It was not making that. Okay. After that, it was happening on 1 hour chart pattern. Can you see 16 minute means 1 hour chart pattern? Always, whenever you see a complete drop of the market down, always make sure to look for two things. Is market coming from supply or going to supply? That's all. If market is coming from supply, like market is coming from supply, it will go where? It will go to the demand zone. If market is going from the demand zone, it will go where? Two places. Either it can go to fair value gap, or either it can go to a supply zone. That's all. Okay, now in this case, when I saw the 60-minute time frame, I shifted myself to 4 hours. In the 4 hours, I saw what? In the 4 hour, I strictly saw one thing, that market was dropping in a very clean movement. That is my signal that smart money is right now inside the market. First signal I got. Second thing, what I did is I found a demand zone in the market. Where is the demand zone? How to find a demand zone in the market? Okay. Demand zone can be found from where? A place from where a straight up buy movement has came, like straight buy. Now where can we see a straight buy? We can see in two places. One is from here, other one is from here. So two demand we have, right? So that's the profit I made for like, if I go on daytime frame, one second, let me go on daytime. A place from where a straight up buy movement has came. Move. Why is not moving? Okay. We can see in two places. One is from here, other one is from here. So two demand we have, right? So that's the profit I made for like, if I go on daytime frame. Okay. So in this thing, what we saw, the first thing I saw was like there is a fair value gap in the market. I will delete these things. I will delete this. Okay. The first thing what I saw is a major swing in the market. This is a major swing. Major swing is basically what? Like market came down and there will be big rejection, and from there it will be straight up. Now this rejection points are basically what? Major swing. That market took a swing and left. Now this place becomes that point where market will come down. Why? Why market comes down to the major swing? Why? Now understand this point. Can we see a good rejection from here? Like market reached this level and from there the lower wick is very long and it is a rejection. Now rejection means what? People went for buy over here. A lot of people went for buy over here. Correct? Okay. Now understand this point. As lot of people went for buy, that means their SL, their stop loss is somewhere over here. This is the SL. Obviously we keep like from wherever if I take an entry over here, somewhere here my SL will be, right? If I go for buy situation, this is my entry point, my SL will be somewhere over here, maybe close, maybe little far, but below my entry point my SL will be, right? Good. Now, in that point, understand when the rejection happened from here, we went for a straight buy situation till here. Now, a lot of people's SL is at this point below the major swing, and that was my safe target because I knew for 100% sure, and I am telling you as well for a very 100% sure, whenever you see on a higher time frame only, okay, don't look for major swings in 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. No, it should be in 1 hour, 4 hour, or 1 day. In these time frames, if you see such major swing where the market is moving straight up and it halts in one place and then shoots up, that becomes our major swing, and that becomes our what, safe target, that we are 100% sure that market is gonna come below this level for very sure, to do what, to tap on all those people SLs over here, all those people's SL, to tap each and everybody people's SL, the market will come down here for very sure. And that became my what? A safe target. First thing. Second thing. Second thing. Then I went for a 1 day time frame. On a 1 day time frame, I saw what? On a 1 day time frame, one thing which I saw very easily was a fair value gap. Not the fair value gap. One second. Where was the place? Then I went for a 1 day time frame. On a 1 day time frame, I saw what? On a 1 day time frame, one thing which I saw very easily was a fair. My bigger target was what? Two. Yeah. Can I see a fair value gap over here? There was a fair value gap in 4 hours. Yes, see, this four value gap ended at what? 2. That was my what? Risky target. Like there are some points where fair value gap may tap and may not tap. That's why I kept it as a risky target over here. Got it? Simple to understand. That was my yesterday's trade. We earned almost $187 from it. $187 from our yesterday's trade just by plotting a simple demand, fair value gap, and supply zone. Okay, even till right now point, if you look just one thing, I just want to tell you how useful a fair value gap is. Yesterday I talked about fair value gap, and now see this one thing. If you would have understood a fair value gap, you would have taken a buy side trade from here. Okay, can we see a fair value gap from here? Yes, this is the fair value gap between this point, and exactly market came till that point, and now again market is traveling down. Again market is traveling down exactly from that place. Exactly from that place. We can clearly see such a huge drop of the market we are able to see, and trust me on this market will travel straight up to this point because that is a new demand, oh, sorry, new fair value gap which will be tapped on. Even if we enter at right now point, how much percentage we can acquire? 6 percentage of the market very easily. Understood? This market will tap to this level for 100% sure because that's where the fair value gap is hidden at right now point. Even if I look at, even if I look at this point a little up, if I take, okay, that's the start, which is 2.191. And in the 1 day time frame, where does it, where it is, where is it? In a 1 day time frame, we can see clearly it here. 2.191 can be our target, and this can be our trade for a very short time. Okay, even before entering my topic or explaining my topic, do you want to take a trade at right now moment? Capture almost we can capture from this point to this point, we can still capture 5.39% of the market, we can capture very easily. If you are ready with it, let's go for the trade. The demand is over here, this can be a risky trade. Okay, this is the demand of the market. This will be a risky trade, this will be a safe trade. Okay, Let's take a trade over here. Let me just quickly log in into my account. If you are ready with it, let's go for the trade. The demand is over here. This can be a risky trade. Yes. This is the demand of the market. This will be a risky trade. This will be a safe. Why you're not typing, bro? Type fast. Trade over here. Let me just quickly log in into my. Such a lagging computer it is. My entry will go away. Why you're not typing, bro? Type fast. Don't wanna work. Such a lagging computer it is. It's fine if you don't wanna work. Just say that you don't wanna work. Entry will go away, brother. Brother, entry will go away. Don't wanna work. The typing is not happening. It's fine if you don't wanna work. Can't type anything. Can't type anything. Anything. Just cross it. Entry will go away, brother. Brother, entry will go away. Now it can type. The typing is not happening. Yes. Can't type anything. Anything. Just cross it. Now it can type. Yes. Let's just wait for 1 minute. Five, five, seven. Okay. Five, five, seven. And we have some rejection till 2.3 to 5, 2.3 to 5. Let's put a limit order at 2.3 to 5. 2.3 to 5 is the one, right? 2.326 actually. 2.326. Okay. 6. Let's enter with 20% of this. Isolate 24%. Open shut. Okay. Our order is placed over here. Got it? Cool. I'll mark a point as well for all of you people, the target and every of those things. What will be the target? What will be this? What will be that? Blah blah thing, so that you can understand as well. Okay. Our order is placed over here. Got it? It's a short trade. I'm taking from this point. I'll keep my stop loss close because if market may shift, and that's all. Okay, that's all. Not a big, not a small one, a very small trade. I want to take it just till here. Okay, our entry has not yet placed, so I will wait for my entry to take an entry over here. I will wait for my target to achieve. My entry will be 2.326, a limit order entry I have put. If you want, you can enter right now as well. Okay, that's not an issue for me. I'm just waiting for my entry because I know a little rejection from the market will come for sure. Once that little rejection comes, my entry will be hit, and then we will go down to our target over here. Target will be this. Once my trade becomes active, I'll screenshot, I'll send it to the group as well. Okay. But let my trade get active first. Then we'll think about it. More and so, I to really feel we should hold it till the demand zone, because that's the place where market can come very easily. Till the demand zone, we may can see our market. And I wanna let my trade get active first. Then we'll think about it. More and so, I to really feel we should hold it till the demand zone because that's the place where market can come very easily. Till the demand zone, we can see our market. Let me see gold over here. And I wanna buy now. Let me see gold buy now. Yes. Percent big heart. My target is not yet achieved. 1 second. My target is not yet achieved. 1 second. Okay. Rejection I require, rejection I require, rejection I require. See, have a patience, we'll have a rejection and we might take an entry very, very soon. Okay. This is the place where I want to enter. I don't want to enter from that place. Really, like, I don't want to enter from the marketplace right now because I believe some rejection will come. Some small sort of rejection will come in the market. This much rejection though is expected from the market. Like, come on, like, seriously, come on. There is a last 20 minutes for this candle to close. In the last 20 minutes, we might see some small fight from the buyers. Small, not a big, a small fight from a buyer, which can see. Can you see a little bit rejection started, right? Yeah. That small rejection we are waiting for. My target is over here. I will tell them like entry will be 8 2.36 AXS. I will take a screenshot as well. Rejection. Once it happens, I'll take the rejection. Okay. Once. I wanna confirm few things like on that. Well, 4 hour is this. Got it. 1 day is what? 1 day is not even just it's went up from this place. From the demand, it went up. But the street demand is over here. It may can fall as well, as well. A small retraced I want from the market. Small retraced, small, not a big one, just a very small retraced from the market. Okay, very close. We are very close. Once my target gets hit, I will share a screenshot. Target for me is target to one 2 point, what was it? 2.91 9. That's the target over here. Okay, I think I have my target, my trade base position entered. Yeah, open trade. PNL is showing, right? That means I have opened the trade, right? 2.326. Okay, I think I have my target, my pre-base position entered. Yeah. My entry price is enter 2.326. My entry price over here. Let's just take a screenshot of this. AVX right now. Current market. Share it, share it, share it fast. Fast. Well goes mad if I don't share. Over here. Let's just take a screenshot of this. Okay. Right now. Copy. Share it, share it, share it fast. Fast. Well goes mad if I don't share. Download. Is this. Straight over here. AXS, USDT, sell, short, short, short sell, enter 2.326. Two 2.324 for target 2.191. Target 1, target 2, I will keep it at 2.164. 2.164. Target 3, 1.98. उसके ऊपर रखता हूँ ना 1.999. Yes. Okay, till now point we are having a $25 profit. Z Till now we are having a $23 profit, and let's say if I hit my target of 2.191, I hit it. Okay, till now point we are 2.191, 100%. I will earn 290 rupees, $290. Very easy. And we should confirm. Let's go. Our first trade today. Okay. And please, there might be a chance of bounce back. Do not fear. It is okay. It is totally okay. Bounce backs are very common in the crypto market. Do not get afraid with it. Target is 2.191 because that's the place where we can see 4-hour fair value gap. Okay, and I will also check one thing. I will also check for an RSI strength. I should have checked previous, no, but no. We are seeing a complete drop down, so it's not an RSI issue. There is no issues. We can go for a good EXS. I will write here as well. EXS USDT caps. EXS USDT flash. A little rejection, more rejection is having the market. We should have entered from the higher level price, but that is totally fine. Okay, that is totally fine. We entered in the market, and that's all it matters. Now the target will be hit at 2.191. A little rejection, more rejection is having the market. We should have entered from the higher level price, but that is totally fine. Last 8 minutes, we entered in the market, and that's all it matters. Now the target will be hit. Because if you look in this one point, the even if you look at the 4-hour pattern over here, the market never came to the demand zone, which is at 1.727. Never came to demand zone till now point. Never. Because if you look in this one point, the even if you look at the 4-hour pattern over here, the market never came to the demand zone, which is at 1.727. Never came to demand zone till now point. Never. 1.78. That's the exact place of the 1.78, 1.78. 1.78. That's the exact place of the 1.78. You can enter from higher price. Should have entered. Still 7 minutes left. Have high hopes. Liquidity prices 2.398. Till here only. You can enter from higher price. Still 7 minutes left. Have high hopes. Liquidity prices 2.398. Okay. Rejection is happening. Minus 88. We should have entered from higher price. A very higher price. The last efforts from the buyers we can see over here. Last efforts from the buyers. Minus 88. We should have entered from higher price. A very higher price. The last efforts from the buyers we can see over here. Last. Shall I add? Hmm, here. But let's see. Wait a little. I will add if it is necessary. Till now, I don't feel it is necessary. I will only add if it's necessary. Welcome user 538810. Welcome on the live stream. I've given you a trade. My entry was from 2.362. From there, rejection is happening from the market. If you want, you can enter from the higher price. Okay. I took an early entry. I should have not taken early entry. On the pressure, I took an early entry. From there, rejection is happening from the market. If you want, you can enter from the higher price. Okay. In a pressure, I took an early entry. Entered at 2.354, 354. Nice. You have entered at a good price. Really good price you have entered at. I took an early entry actually. In a pressure. In a pressure, I took an early entry. Trading should be a calm thing. It should not happen like, yeah, do it. It should not happen like that. I should have entered at higher price, but you have if you have entered at 2.354, gladly the deposit took a bit time. Yeah, good, good thing. Did you make the first deposit? User 538810. Was this your first deposit which you made? I should have entered at higher price, but if you have entered at 2.354, gladly the deposit took a bit time. Good, good thing. Did you make the first deposit? User 538810. Second, actually, it's me, Stephanie. Hi, Stephanie. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I have high hopes my target will hit. It's just like this buyers should not come that much that it will go a lot above. And it gave me a loss. I don't want that thing. That's all. I know for definitely sure it is gonna tap to target 2.19. For definitely sure. or the most 100% sure it will tap here. It just the volatility should not be much. That's all I expect. It should not be that much. Nothing else. I don't want anything. I just don't want volatility to be too high. Well, there is a fair value gap over here. If it wants to go above, it will definitely tap into this fair value gap for very sure. Or very, 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 very sure. It should not be that much. Nothing else. I don't want anything. I just don't want volatility to be too high. If it crosses that level, I have to force feed. Force feed. Go above, it will definitely tap into this fair value gap for very sure. Or very, 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 very sure. I have to force feed. If it crosses that level, I have to legitly force feed him the money. If it crosses that level, I have to force feed. Force feed. Okay, drop. Drop. I just need drop. Nothing else. Just keep dropping. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Okay. You just keep dropping. Don't even try to go above. There is nothing going above. There is nobody over up who is there for your help. Just keep dropping. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Keep drop. That's all. Drop. I just need drop. Nothing else. Just keep dropping. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Okay. You just keep dropping. Don't even try to go above. There is nothing going above. There is nobody over up who is there for your help. And a loss. How much we lost? 200 USDT we lost. We lost a 200 US. 200 USDT lost in the market. How much we lost? Like legit lost. 200 USDT we lost. But it's totally fine. I want to re-enter in the market. Exactly from that price, I want to re-enter in the market. 50%. Enter for open short. 200 USDT. Success. My entry price was 2398. 2398. That's fine. Works fine. Works fine. Works fine. With a $200 loss, I have entered at 2398. 2398. A new entry. I hope I will recover my profit plus with a $200 money. I have entered at 2398. The market is stuck at one point, completely stuck, not moving above, not moving below, not moving anywhere. We are at a 2,200 loss we had. Again, I've entered with a new amount, new amount, new amount. The market is stuck at one point, completely stuck, not moving above, not moving below, not moving anywhere. We are at a 2,200 loss we had. Again, I've entered with a new amount, new amount, new amount. Why gold is dropping down so fast, so fast, so fast, so fast? Should I close my trade? I opened a new trade. I had a loss. I had a loss. I had a loss and I opened a new trade. You keep your trade active. See, it is dropping down again. Keep your trade active. It is again having a profit. Keep it active. People, keep your trade active. If you have entered from a different price, because I re-entered in the market, okay. I re-entered in the market with 2.398. That's my re-entry in the market. I am right now having $58 profit. It is again having a profit. Keep it active. But I'm just giving you, see, user 53 Stephanie, just keep your trade active. I re-entered. I had a loss. My thing was liquidated. I re-entered from 2398 from that price. Okay. Again, it is dropping down. It's just because of the volatility. My SL was hit, and due to which I had $200 loss. But I re-entered. I re-entered from 2398, and the target is same. The target is same 2191. Okay. See, right now you can clearly see I am having 59.60 something. Yeah, $60 profit. This will come down. It just, I entered at very low price when the liquidity, the volatility hit my SL. That's why I re-entered, and I'm hoping I entered at 2354, 2354, 235. It's very close. Like market is nearby your price only. You entered somewhere over here. This is your entry price, right? This is your entry price. Market is very nearby your price only. So you don't have to worry. See, market is like right now at your price, legitly like 2356 something at currently at your price. So you are okay, you are safe. I entered at a very cheap price, like completely over here I entered. Your entry is safe. You will start seeing profit now. Like see, it is like 2.359 somewhere around your price range now. It will drop down and soon you will start seeing profit. Okay, soon you will start seeing profit. That's why I say like I hate volatility in the crypto market because it moves something like zip like a for no reason. For no reason it will move. Even though the target he wants to go down, but for some point this affects. I'm hoping to recover my loss plus target. Okay. See, it came down your price right now. It is 3.354535 something. You will start seeing lost each other something sure. Lost each other just few hours ago. Ouch! Lost $80. In which coin you took a trade? Stephanie, you lost $80 in which coin? See, market has came down your price, okay? Relax. You entered 3.5, market has came down to 2.35052. It has came down, okay? So it's good, it's good. But do tell me in which coin you had a loss. Stephanie, you lost $80 in which coin? $80 loss in which coin? Relax. You entered 3.5, market has came down to 2.350. Okay. It has came down, okay? So it's either we are gonna recover our loss plus profit, or we are not, or we are gonna have more loss. Okay. Till now point we are at $85 profit. Till now point it was Resolve USDT. What happened with Resolve USDT? Where is Resolve USDT? Oh, you took a short trade? Either we are going to recover our loss plus profit, or we are not, or we are going to have more loss. Okay. Till now point we are at $85 profit. Till now point it was Resolve USDT. What happened with Resolve USDT? Where is Resolve? If I'll just put it like this, okay? 4 hours, 1 day, 1 day is another something 4 hours. Okay. It's fine. We are having profit. Are you? Whenever I took a short trade, my position got liquidated so bad that it went short after. Yeah, it happens. That's, I hate volatility. That's why. Like suddenly there will be so much buyers in the market because see that is the reason. See what happens at that point. I'll explain you. What it is not even our problem. It is not even market's problem. I'll explain you what happens in that time. See, when the market starts dropping down, what people are doing is sell. Right now, at a point, obviously, if this many people are doing selling, somebody else should be buying as well. That's how trade works. Somebody buys, somebody sells. Somebody sells, somebody buys. That's how the trade works. Now, when the market start dropping, sell, 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 sell. Not everybody is just selling. There are some people who are buying as well, and they wait for the cheap price. That's one reason why that thing happened with you. Okay, it's okay. It's totally fine. Somebody sells, somebody buys. That's how the trade works. Now, when the market start dropping, let's go back to our AXS. Everybody is just selling. What's happening to AXS? Okay, it again went up. And they wait for the cheap price. That's one reason why. Just don't liquidate me. Right? That's all I request from you. Just don't liquidate me. $34 profit we are at right now. Let's go back to our AXS. Okay. 35. What's happening to AXS? Okay, it again went up. Dropping down good. Just don't liquidate me. Right? That's all I request from you. Just don't liquidate me. $34 profit we are at right now. Okay. See, oh, you left 49, 49, 49, 70. Just push the market more down, bro. I don't need anything else from you. That's why I don't like to enter in the early market stage. I have so much to talk with you all people. Okay. So, as per the today's thing, but even the gold market is falling down. I don't. I have no. It went up again. It went up again. It's not falling. It's not falling. It's not falling. I thought it's falling, but no, no, it's not falling. It's not falling. Still good. Still looking good. Still looking good. Everything looks good, but it is consolidating. People are afraid now. How long shall we push it? The gold market, it is already at 5086. That's the all time to all time high. Like all like basically one thing, like all the gold market is right now at a peak level of the sort. Like they don't know how far shall we can take it. If it will starts falling one after seconds, the gold market, it is already at 5086. That's the all time to all time high. Like all again it went up. All like basically one thing, like all the gold market is right now. Are you gonna retest? Like they don't know how far shall we. If you retest, if that's gonna be very bad. It's gonna be very bad if you retest. Ah, if this gonna if I'm just saying, this is a very if situation which I'm talking about. Okay, the one if situation is, as we know, like from exactly from the FVG, the fair value gap, the market started dipping. Okay, this was the FVG. The market started dipping from that price. This is the fair value gap. Market dipped from exactly from the fair value gap. There are some cases. What happens is market will dip, and from the dip, when the market is unsure about the dip, he will again try to go above the fair value gap, tap in, and fall from there. So that is the situation which may happen with us. With us. There are some cases. What happens is market will dip, and from the dip, when the market is unsure about the dip, he will again try to go above the fair value gap, tap in, and fall from there. So that is the situation which may happen with us. Our liquidity price is what, 424.75. That's it. My liquidity price is that low. 2.475. Okay, somewhere over here. Somewhere over here is my liquidity price. 24.75. That's it. If anybody of you got liquidated, please do let me know. Okay. If anybody of you get liquidated, please do let me know. Okay, somewhere over here. Somewhere over here is my liquidity price. If anybody of you got liquidated, please do let me know. Okay. If anybody of you get liquidated, please do let me know. Subin and Arya has joined my channel. Naveen and Arya has joined my channel. It should be a calm mind thing. Again, rejection, rejection, rejection. That's good. That's good. Reject. It should be a calm mind thing. Again, rejection, rejection, rejection. That's good. That's good. Reject. Okay. Again, it has dropped down, but at the same point, welcome, Stephanie. Did you got liquidated, Stephanie? Did you got liquidated? Okay. Again, it has dropped down, but at the same point, welcome, Stephanie. Did you got liquidated, Stephanie? Did you got liquidated? $15 profit till now point. Not yet. Okay. 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 I am in a little profit, little not that much. $18, $27 profit. Little profit. Not yet. Okay. Okay. Hope. Hope is a good word and powerful word. I would go get liquid around 2.42. 2.42. Okay. 2.42. Okay. Somewhere around here. Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it. 2.42 you will get liquidated. Okay. Again it has started traveling down. Okay. See, you can clearly see again it has started traveling down. Hope. Is a good word and powerful word. I would go get liquid around 2.42. 2.42. Okay. 2.42. Okay. Somewhere around here. Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it. 2.42 you will get. You can clearly see again it has started traveling down. It has again started dropping down. Okay, so we have some time. We have time. It has again started dropping down. Okay, so we have some time. 54. 54 we are at. 58. The drop down is good. 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 It's good. 54. 54 we are at. 58. $44 profit. Let's just hope we get good amount of profit. Again, it started happening that thing, yeah. Like, why, bro? These are far. I would suggest one thing. I would suggest one thing. Put your target at the. No, 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 wait. Let's just hope we get good amount of profit. Wait. Again, it started happening. Yeah, I would suggest one thing, like put your target as your entry price or little below your entry price. Okay. Once you hit your target, you will be exited with no loss and let's very slight amount of profit. Okay. After that, when the market comes to somewhere around the range of like 2.38, 2.390, enter from that price. Like for all of you people who like don't have uh like don't want to get liquidated fast, because 4.2, like if suddenly buy comes, that is the point of getting liquidated. Okay, so you can put a target TP at your entry price or little below your entry price. Okay, so you can have very small amount of 0 point something amount of profit and re-enter from higher price of, let's say, 2.38, 2.39, somewhere around that. That is a very good thing which you can do at right now point. Okay, because obviously for very sure this will candle will get closed in 40 minutes. Okay, after that when the next candle will open, for sure it is gonna go a little up. Okay, and that time you can re-enter in the market. You can put a limit order somewhere, like limit order at 3.8 or 3.9, somewhere around that limit order you can put. But for now, first put a take profit target at the entry, wherever you have entered, like 3.354, 3 point sorry 2.354. Put it at little profit at 3.352, so that you won't get any loss. And then once the market goes a little above, you can re-enter in the market. Okay, see, it's again coming down to your take profit. It's gonna come to your entry point. So if you wanna exit at the entry point, please make sure to exit and then re-enter from the higher price. That's exactly what I did. My entry was here 2.26 and I took a re-entry at 2.398. Okay, so right now market is coming down to your price again, 2.354, 56, 57. Exit the trade and re-enter from higher price, so your liquidity price will go little more above and there will be chance like we can take bigger profit from here. Because again and again market is coming back to the price of 3.7, 3 point, sorry, 2.37, 2.38. Market is again and again coming to that point. So I believe exit at the entry point. You have entered at 2.354, right, Stephanie? So just exit at that point, a little below, and from there re-enter at the higher price. That's the best advice I can give you at right now, friends. Sorry, 2.37, 2.38. Market is again coming to that point. So I believe exit at the entry point. You have entered at 2.354, right, Stephanie? So just exit at that point, a little below, and from there re-enter at the higher price. That's the best advice I can give you at right now, friends. Okay, it's falling before your entry price. Okay, try to take an exit and re-enter in the market. Okay, it's falling before your entry price. Okay, try to take an exit and re-enter in the market. Did you re-enter? User 538810 Stephanie. Have you taken your profit out? Closed it. Let me know when should I re-enter? Re-enter, I'm suggesting you to re-enter from somewhere at the high price of 2.38 or 2.39. Okay. You have exited. That's a good thing which you did. I'll let you know. Just stay on the live stream. The time entry comes, I will let you know. Okay. Again, the market has started the rejection thing. Whenever it comes around my range, like 2.39, where like from there we can have barely the capital. 2.38 or 2.39. Okay. You have exited. That's a good thing. Closed it. You didn't close it with any loss, right? No loss you faced, right? Did you face any loss in closing? Whenever it comes around my range, like 2.39, where like from there we can have barely the capital. You didn't close it with any loss, right? No loss you faced, right? Did you face any loss in closing? What loss you faced? What loss you face? I didn't. Okay, you didn't. I would suggest to put a limit order at the place of 2.385 or 2.39. 39, I feel like it might take a time or chance for market to touch at this point, but 2.85 is a good option to enter. 2.85. Sorry, 3.85. 2.385. My bad. My bad. You didn't face a loss. That's a good thing that you didn't face a loss. That's all I want to hear from people, that they didn't face a loss because of me. Good thing. Entry, I suggest you to enter at 3 point, or what about 3.39, this line? 2.390 can be your entry point. Just put a limit order over there. Can you see a limit order over here? Just put a limit order price of 2.390, like that, and just go for an open short rate. Pick your whatever price and blah 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 thing. Just go for open short rate. Whenever market will come at 2.390 over here somewhere, your trade will get active automatically. Just put a limit order over there. Can you see a limit order over here? Just put a limit order price of 2.390, like that, and just go for an open short rate. Pick your whatever price and blah 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 thing. Just go for open short rate. Whenever market will come at 2.390 over here somewhere, your trade will get active automatically. Somewhere small rejection to we will face for serious. Somewhere small rejection to we will face for serious. 2.34, 2.52. Again, it came to that entry price. 2.34, 2.52. Again, it came to that entry price. 64. It's falling down now. 83, 48, 43. Oh shit. Placed a limit order 8350. Good thing you did. Good thing. Good thing. Good thing. Good thing. And don't worry about this. Okay. Right now market is falling on, it's fine. It will go up again. It will give some rejection for sure. Placed a limit order 8350. Good thing you did. It will give some rejection for sure. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Even though we are able to see the market is crashing down now, it's fine. We will. The market will come back again at 2.385. Somehow. I hope. I hope. 124, 124, 124, 124, 124, 124. See again, rejection, rejection. So don't worry, don't worry. You will enter. Place a limit at 2385. That's good. That's good. Good thing. Somewhere around here. I will keep it in my head. Somewhere around here. 124, 124, 124, 124, 124. See again, rejection, rejection. Still half an hour is left. Obviously, first we saw buyers push, then we saw sellers push. Now there is sellers more tougher push. There might be a time like maybe in the half seconds, maybe in the half minute of the candle closing, we may see the candle will again go crash. Okay, I know it's dropping again. Okay, I know it's dropping again. It's not me who is pushing the button over here. Okay, so the market was actually like 4 to 5 times, it was just like staying at one place, like from 3 2.36 to 2.34 to like from that price was staying. I thought it will again go up and that's might be your price where you can enter, but from there now it is dropping down. Okay, it's not, I didn't do anything. It's not me who did anything, but I still have hopes the next candle can go up to that point, because as we can see, longer upper wicks, longer lower wicks are forming. Okay, even in here, longer upper wick. So we have hope. Okay, we have hope, and it is better. Like, see, these are the point where it will tempt you. Like, oh shit, I exited. Now the market's falling off. These are the point where it will tempt you. It has happened with me a lot of time. Like, I regret. Okay, why I did this now, but if I waited for 15 to 20 minutes, again the market has came back to my point again to tap and re-enter for me in the market. Okay, so it's totally fine. Just keep a calm. It will fine. It will be happen. Just have a patience. Okay, just have patience. Don't make any like quick decisions. My one quick decision was over here, which I entered at 2.36. That was my very quick decision, which cost me 200 loss. But again, I'm trying to recover that loss plus profit. I'm hoping to get from the market. Loss plus profit. If I go for a profit, let's say
My one quick decision was over
2.1,
here, which I
sorry,
enter at 2.36. That was one very
191,
quick decision, which cost me total
350,
loss. But again, I'm
350.
trying to
Okay,
recover that loss.
okay.
Loss plus
Let's
profit,
see.
I'm hoping to get from the market. Loss plus profit. See, it is getting rejected again. Have a faith. Have a faith. Have a faith. It is getting rejected again. Again, rejection is happening. Rejection is happening. See, buyer, seller, they will push the market up, down, up. That is gonna happen. Okay, it's totally fine. It's good. It's looking good. Rejection is happening. Your trade will get See, it is
tapped in
getting rejected again.
285 because
Have
see,
a
it's
faith.
one
Have a
point is
faith.
good
Have a
that
faith.
if you
It is
enter,
getting rejected again.
you will enter from a higher price and you might get a good
Again,
price,
rejection
like
is
good
happening.
profit.
Rejection is happening. See, buyer, seller, they will push the market up, down, up. That is gonna happen. Okay, it's totally fine. It's good. It's looking good. Rejection is happening. Your trade will get tapped in 285 because see, it's one point is good that if you enter, you will enter from a higher price and you will you will get
0.87, 1.02, 0.65, 2.8. See, Solana and XRP. See, so XRP will come at the price of 1.7, 1.8, 1.6 very soon inside the market. Okay, 1.8 and all, it will come very soon inside the market. And the time it comes, that's a very good point for us to go for spot buy. Spot.
see
But I
Solana
really
and
feel that market
XRP.
will, the
See,
crypto, like
sorry,
this
can you hear
market
me?
of
Solana and XRP will
Solana's
come
market will come
1.7,
more down.
1.8, 1.6 very soon inside the market. Okay, 1.8 and all, it will come very soon inside the market. And the time it comes, that's a very
Where
good
is the
point for
time
us
frame?
to
Okay,
go
time
for
frame is
spot
not.
buy. Spot. But I really feel that market will, the crypto, like this market of
Yeah, this is
Solana
that
and
one
XRP will
major
come
swing which is
very
yet to
good
be
now.
tapped for. Even if I wanted, I would join the next year for with better options. That's that's the speed I need. But it will. Okay, it will tap in. It will tap in. Don't worry, it will tap in. It will tap in. And for XRP, like I was saying, like this is that one major swing which we can see in a day time frame, and that major swing which I feel, once that Clarity Act, there is a Clarity Act which is being debated, sorry, which has been debated by the Congress House right now, and that act basically tells, like, see, cryptocurrency blockchain were away from government and the bank. The government and the bank, they don't didn't have any power over the cryptocurrency, but the Clarity Act is allowing a bank to have some partial power over the cryptocurrency. It might be for surveillance, it might be for using transaction, blah blah thing, whatever, something like they are gonna add it. And once that thing added, trust me, market will drop, because the cryptocurrency boomed for one very specific reason, that all these transactions, all this blockchain were away from government and the bank, that they didn't had any power. That's the one sole reason why Bitcoin market, crypto market was booming this much, because of no surveillance from the bank and no control from the government. But with the Clarity Act, they will again come, the control may happen, and surveillance from the bank may happen, which may trigger, a lot of fear inside the market, and they might drop it soon. Okay, they might drop it soon.
Because of no surveillance from the bank and no control from the government. But with the Clarity Act, they will again come, the control may happen, and surveillance from the bank may happen, which may trigger, a lot of fear inside the market, and they might drop it soon. Okay, they might drop it soon.
116, that's the profit till now point. Okay, 116, 116 is the profit till now. I had a loss of $200. Okay, ha, a little panic state was there for $200 loss, but it's fine. We are back again, recovering that thing, so it is good.
That's the profit till now point. Okay, 116. 116 is the profit till now. I had a loss of $200. Okay. Ha. Little panic state was there for $200 loss, but it's fine. We are back again recovering that thing, so it is good.
I entered very fast in the market, little less in the market. I entered very fast in the market, little less in the market. It is rejecting, and that's a good sign because you can enter, re-enter in the market. Okay, it has again came back to the same point where your entry was. 20 minutes is left for this candle to close. Okay, 20 minutes. It is rejecting, and that's a good sign because you can enter, re-enter in the market. Okay, it has again came back. And always remember, please make sure, like, whenever you do any kind of deposit, make sure to do a deposit through this live stream deposit button.
20 minutes
It
is left
helps me.
for this
Okay,
candle to close. Okay.
and it is the same thing. Okay, if even if you click over here and do the deposit, it's gonna be the same thing. And even if you click on the live stream and do over here, it is the same thing. Okay, there is not much difference over here. So just a request, whenever anybody of you all people, whenever you do any deposit, just do it from the live stream deposit. It will give a little small help
If
to me,
even if you
nothing
click
else.
over here and do the deposit, it's gonna be the same thing. And even if you click on the live stream and
Rejection
do over here, it is
367.
the
I
same
right
thing.
now at
No difference
36,
over here. So just a
365,
request, whenever
367.
anybody of you
Soon it will tap into your situation of
do from the live
385.
stream
Okay,
deposit, it will
soon.
give a little small help
Just
to
hope.
me.
See,
Nothing
that's
else.
why we have to have patience. Patience has everything. Patience is good.
Rejection 367.
$70
I right
profit
now
till
at
now point.
36,
Any other
365,
coin
367.
which is
Soon it will
good
tap.
today? And this is very good actually. Okay, this thing is a very good. AI featured are actually very great. Resolve USDT today is at 465% up. AXS is 362. JT, and they will give you some signals as well. Like short means that you have to go for sell. AX is also short. Right now you have to go for sell. JTO, but even if it says you short, just don't go blindly for short. Find out some supplies, find out some demand zones, like at least find out some target, like is it actually going to touch the demand, is there any fair value gap, so that market, you know where the market is traveling to, at what price it may tap, at what price it may stop. Okay, just don't be like, if it says short, doesn't mean that you should go short, because this is an AI signals. AI signals are good, but at the same point not trustables. So always make sure to find your own targets. KEIA sand. Okay. After we hit this target of R today, we will try to hit, bro. It became minus 75. Okay. For a small minute, never go for resolve. Very volatile. Yeah. True. True though. True though. True though. Where is it? 75. Okay. For a small minute, never go for resolve. Resolve was volatile really today a lot.
True though. True though. True though.
See. It's a long-term picture. A long-term picture of resolve history will tap into 10.10108. Long-term picture, because that's the basically demand zone of the market. If the market taps to the supply and falls down, it will definitely go to the demand zone of the market. It's a long side picture, but yeah, it might happen. Not today, not tomorrow, maybe. No, I don't know. I even don't know when it will happen, but it will surely happen. Tap into 10.10108. Long-term picture, because that's the basically demand zone of the market. If the market taps to the supply and falls down, it will definitely go to the demand zone of the market. It's a long side picture, but yeah, it might happen. Not today, not tomorrow, maybe. No, I don't know. I even don't know when it will happen, but it will surely happen. See, this is that supply from where markets start rejecting. Can you see a major big straight downfall? That is a supply of the market, and we can clearly see exactly from that place market took a rejection. See, this is that supply from where markets start rejecting. Can you see a major big straight downfall? That is a supply of the market, and we can clearly see exactly from that place market took a rejection. One hundred and 17. Feeling bad for you, Stephanie, a little, but it's okay. That market is not rejecting that to that entry price of yours. Because of me, you exit the trade. I really thought that it will reject back again, because at that point it was having a lot of consolidation at this point. Same, it was coming back to that point, that point, that point. I thought it will go up again very fast, but it's not happening. Because of me, you maybe the next candle, okay, maybe the next candle, because you all know, like, like how fast it bounce backs. So maybe in the next candles bounce back, you can enter, maybe in the next candle bounce back. I thought it will go up again very fast, but it's not happening. Maybe the next candle, okay, maybe the next candle, because you all know, like, like how fast it bounce backs. So maybe in the next candles bounce back, yeah, yeah, true, because I was thinking, like, if it goes back again, rather than, like, I know how it feels to see your account in minus, minus, minus. So that's the reason why I said, like, just close the trade and re-enter from the higher price, so that you won't see that minus, minus thing in your account. Every time whenever we see some minus in the account, it feels, I know how it feels, that my money, my money, my money, my money. I know how it feels. So that's the reason why I give you that suggestion. But let's see, maybe in the next channel the bounce back, in the next channel when it bounces back or something happens, maybe you re-enter in the market. Okay, every time whenever we see some minus in the, till now it looks good. I know how it feels, that till now it looks good. EXS, EX, EXS. Very early trade I took. I didn't even want to take an early trade today. To be very fair, to be very fair. I thought I will talk, I will discuss my topic, and in the afterwards I'll take a trade after watching everything. But pressure trade I took. It's fine. We make mistake. Very early trade I took. I didn't even want to take an early trade today. $112 profit till now point, looking all good till now. It looks good, everything is good. Like almost, if from my entry point, if I talk about from my entry point 2.398, we are gonna capture almost 8.62% of the market, of the complete market. We are gonna capture 8.62% of the fall. That's the one reason why I like crypto market a lot, because we can capture very good movement. In the stock market you may see like 1%, 2%, 2.5, and that too in a very rare case scenario. It won't happen every day. But in the crypto market, every day we can capture above 2, above 3, or above 5% of market to gain good amount of profit. But the backdrop which we have to suffer is with volatility. Like, that's not in our control. Volatility is never in our control. We never know, like suddenly some XYZ person out there will put a lot of huge buy order, and that thing will make the market go up even though the market direction is down. But due to that XYZ person who put an extreme buy order, the market will go straight up because of that one thing. That's not in our control. Volatility is never in our control. We never know, like suddenly some XYZ person out there will put 9 minutes. In the 9 minutes the candle is gonna close and the next candle is gonna form. But due to that XYZ person who put an extreme buy order, the market will go straight up because of that one thing. In 9 minutes, in just simple 9 minutes. 9 minutes. In the 9 minutes the candle is gonna close and the next candle is gonna form. Sell pressure is getting reduced a little. It's not a big concern but a small concern, yes, because sell pressure we can see it is getting reduced little, not that much. If it was a hammer candle, then I would have thought about something like taking out my profit and taking out something like this. But till now point, there is no doji, there is no hammer candle. The decision is straight that it is want to go for fall. And I can clearly see why, because there is a huge fair value gap in the here. Okay, over here there is a huge fair value gap. We can see a very big gap. I've told you, explained you yesterday itself, every gap represents what? A limit order. Of yours? No. Of mine? No. Of whose? Of those big people, those whales who put in a huge amount. Okay, exactly the same thing happened over here. This was the gap between two candle. Market exactly came to that fair value gap over here, and from there started falling down. That's why fair value gaps are very important, because that's a limit order. Like somebody's limit order is placed not for a very small quantity, maybe for like $1 million quantity. That's the one reason why fair value gap, which I found over here. That's why I'm thinking that market from fair value gap is going to travel to this fair value gap. From there some rejection might happen. That is not my concern. My concern is that my target will get hit. That's all. Like somebody's limit order is placed not for a very small quantity, maybe for like $1 million quantity. That's the one reason why fair value gap, which I found over here. That's why I'm thinking that market from fair value gap is going to travel to this fair value gap. From there some rejection might happen. That is not my concern. My concern is that my target will get hit. That's all. Yeah. And even if you don't know how to tap into fair value gap, how to find fair value gap, just go in the trading view platform. Over here, whenever you see any kind of market, whichever market you are tapping in, just search at this lux algo fair value gap. I will delete this to show you all people. And there are this trading session as well. Trading session is a good indicator. It will tell you about which session is going on right now. If we talk right now which session is going on, it is London session is going on right now. London session is open. And see, New York and London and Japan, these three sessions are those sessions which have a huge amount of people trading. And that's the point. We see movement. Doesn't matter for up or down. We see movement. That what matters. You can clearly see this is your Japan means Tokyo session, a very good upward movement. Then this was your London session, and from here it was your New York session. So that's the thing. Like New York, London, and Tokyo, these three sessions are very
powerful sessions. Like at those point, those dollar people, those yuan people, they are trading with a very huge amount of money. You can clearly see this is your Japan means Tokyo session, a very good upward movement. Then this was your London session,
121
and from
till
here it
now
was your
point.
New York session. So
121.
that's the thing, like New York, London, and Tokyo. These three sessions are very powerful sessions. Like at those point, those dollar people, those yuan people, they are trading with a very huge amount of money.
121 till now point. 121. Hundred and nine till now point. If you have any doubt, anything, any question, anything which you want to understand from Zbit, from market, from anything, feel free to comment on the comment section. Okay, feel free to comment on the comment section. 109 till now point. You can just simply, yeah, I was showing you about the fair value gap. Okay, just type FAR and it will be the first one. Fair value gap, Lux Algo, sorry. Just go from there and I will, yeah. All the red blocks justifies sell limit orders or the green blocks justifies buy orders. Okay. But note one thing. See, we know that there might be a fair value, might be a limit order. Not every fair value gap has some limit order. Okay, there are cases where it can be or it cannot be. We cannot find it out because it's not our order. The person who puts the limit order, he knows where exactly the order is. We can just guess it. That's how we track the smart money people through supply, demand, and fair value gap. Just by guessing it. Not every fair value gap has some limit order. Okay, there are cases where it can be or it cannot be. We cannot find it out because it's not our order. The person who puts the limit order, he knows where exactly the order is. We can just guess it. That's how we track the smart money people through supply, demand, and fair value gap. Just by guessing it. 99. Zero point 104, $104 profit till now point. Not much, but okay. Okay. 111, 105. Wait, one second. What? One, two. That's it, right? Okay. Okay. Tomorrow is my Friday. I feel happy because tomorrow is my Friday. Okay. Why tomorrow is my Friday? Because Wednesday and Thursday are my off day. I don't get off on Saturday, Sunday. I get off on Wednesday and Thursday. So today technically is my Thursday. Tomorrow is gonna be my Friday. And then 2 days, nobody can find me. Where I am, how I am, where will be, how I will be. Welcome user 610780. 610780. Yes. Thank you so much for being on this live stream. Thank you so much for coming down. Please make sure to understand this one thing, that I have given you an entry. Okay, I have given you a short entry of AXS USDT. Just tap on take a trade, take a entry. But make sure to understand this one thing, that volatility is high, so try to take an entry at a higher price. I entered at almost this is my entry level. 2.398 is my entry point, so try to enter. Like, see, right now another new candle is forming. Once this candle will cross, let's say, I really believe that it will cross 3 2.38 2.385, somewhere around there. Okay, so just keep your limit order somewhere around this range. Do not enter at the right now price, because volatility is high right now. So it might make you liquidate from the market, and I don't want that. So try to enter at a higher level price. Don't enter at market price. Market price is going on at 2.34748, somewhere over there. Try at least to enter at 3.8. I really believe the next candle open the market will touch, because the candle is moving. The volatility of the candle is that high at this point. So try to enter at a higher level price. Don't enter at market price. Market price is going on at 2.34748, somewhere over there. Try at least to enter at 3.8. I really believe the next candle open the market. Like I said, now the next candle has opened. The next candle has opened. So this candle in the starting, see, every time there is a time frames, okay, and we cannot decide it. Those people decide this. How it is, like the candle has started open. Now for 15 to 20 minutes, you might see green, 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 green. That is what buyers push. They are trying to push the market. Okay, trying. As we play tug of war, obviously some people will try to push over here, some people will try to push over. That's the same thing, like buyer is trying to push the market at right now point. Soon, after 20 minutes, after 30 minutes, the real movement of the market will come, which is our sell movement. That is what buyers push. They are trying to push the market. Okay, trying. As we play tug of war, obviously some people will try to push over here, some people will try to push over. That's the same thing, like I will just take a 5 minute break, and I will come back from the 5 minute break. Okay, I'll just take a small break. Which is our sell movement. I will take a small break. I will be coming back. And before coming back, all the people who are entering at right now point, please make sure to enter at 3.8, 3.9 range. That is a range, a good range to enter in the market for short side. Okay. I will come back very soon. Bye bye. All the people who are entering at right now point, please make sure to enter at 3.8, 3.9 range. That is a range, a good range to enter in the market for short side. Okay. I will come back very soon. Bye bye. It tapped till where? Till where it came? Till where it came? 8 4. 8 4. It came and went back. It tapped till where? Till where it came? Till where it came? 8 4. It came back to 8 4 till here. 3.28. 5 was not tapped. 5 was not tapped. It came back to 8 4 till here. 3.28. 95. 5 was not tapped. 5 was not tapped. 95. Yes, Stephanie. It came to 2.384. That, like, just at that level it came at your price. Okay. You can see the market came till 2.384. Your entry was at 2.385. It came till 4. And then from there it started rejecting. Okay. You can clearly see the next candle. I told you the next candle will open. It will have some bounce back because in the starting 15 minutes, buyers will try to push a market a little. Some effort they will show. Okay. And in that thing, they push the market over here. If I draw a trend line over here, see, this is the point which it came, which is at 2.384. Just 0.001 was not covered. Just one. And from there it started rejecting and came down. Okay. 2.384. And your entry missed by a little. Yes, just by a little. See, we still have 50 minutes. Okay. We still have almost it just 10 minutes of the candle. Okay. We still have 50 minutes for this candle to close. If this candle gets closed, then entry at 3.85 might be a little difficult. Let's have hope with this candle because I was having hope with the next candle only. And it showed me little hope when it was coming to 3.84. I was having high hopes, like, okay, now just a little is there, but it started rejecting from that point. Let's have hope. There is less much, like 15 minutes is still left. Maybe in the next 50 minutes, somewhere whenever between buyers push will come, it might push a little above that. For a safer side, if you want. Hi bhai, hello. हेलो यूजर 5504691, प्लीज आपका मुझे नाम भी बता दिया करो। आप जब भी मतलब हाय हेलो कुछ करते हो तो नाम बता दिया करो, क्योंकि है ना, मैं आपको वो यूजर 50 ऐसा बताता बोलता हूँ ना तो मुझे अजीब लगता है। एक नाम से बुलाओ तो अच्छा लगता है। तो हाय, बट आपका नाम भी बताओ प्लीज। एंड एंट्री दी है मैंने AXS USDT में, शॉर्ट की एंट्री है। इसका टारगेट है 2.191। ये इसका टारगेट है यहाँ पे। पहली मेरी जो मैंने पहली एंट्री ली थी वो बहुत घाई गड़बड़ में ली थी मैंने एंट्री, जो यहाँ पे थी। द फर्स्ट एंट्री विच आई टुक वाज वेरी रश एंट्री, विच वाज माय मिस्टेक। And I thought, like, see, it was like a very huge candle was forming. Okay, I thought that it will straight go down, but volatility hit me. I had a loss of $200, but the next point I entered at 2.398. Okay, that's the candle which I entered at the price. Welcome user 268899. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for coming down. Welcome user 968878. Welcome on the live stream. All the people, please make sure that there are two gifts for all of you people. One is for new user. Whenever you make the first deposit over here, click on this deposit button, make the first deposit, and you will earn how much? You will be earning one Dogecoin completely for free of cost, but the condition is that you have to deposit $3. That is the minimum. Above that, whatever, it is acceptable, but if you deposit $1, $2, then you will not get one Dogecoin free. That is only for new user. $3, that is roughly 300 INR. And on top of that, if you guys want to have a bigger gift, let's say you want to have a 200 USDT completely for free of cost, then what you need to do is make a deposit of 20 USDT and you will be getting 200 USDT. But let me tell you this one thing, people don't listen to this completely, but this 200 is not withdrawable money. Okay, you can only take a trade with that money. Bigger trade you can take basically of 200 USDT worth of trade you can take in Ethereum or in Bitcoin. Okay, you will get a choice. Do you want to enter in Ethereum or do you want to enter in Bitcoin? You can pick your own thing and you can enter it over there. After that, whatever profit you earn from that bigger trade, it is completely, you can withdraw it, you can access it, you can use it for the next trade, whatever you want you can do with it. Okay, but understand this one thing, what you will understand, that 200 is not withdrawable money, it is a trade money for trading only. Let me get XRP today. And also this is one contract trading gift, but it's like little expensive for like most of the people, so I don't suggest this thing because you have to take a contract trading of 1000, 2000 or something like that. Okay, so if you take that huge amount of trading of 1000 trading or 2000 trading, then you receive this thing. My third day I received XRP here. Don't suggest this thing because you have to take a contract trading of 1000, 2000 or something like that. Okay, so if you take that huge amount of trading of 1000 trading or 2000 trading, then you receive this thing. My third day I received XRP here. See, again it is rejecting. The rejection is happening again. See, again it is rejecting. The rejection is happening again. 70 rejection is coming, but it is not happening for a very good. Rejection is there. Rejection is coming, but it is not happening for a very good. Rejection is there. This is just starting 15 minutes, starting 20 minutes. Buyers trying to push the market as much as they can. This is just starting 15 minutes, starting 20 minutes. Buyers trying to push the market as much as they can. It's pushing. This is a very good opportunity for all those people who can re-enter in the market. For re-entering the market, this is a very good opportunity for all of you people over here. It's pushing. This is a very good opportunity for all those people who can re-enter in the market. For re-entering the
Base and
market, this is a very
delicacy.
good opportunity for all of you people over here. It's coming to your price again. We can see it is coming back to 2.384 going up. Yes, it is going up, and to 385, 85, 86. I guess, I think your order is placed. It's coming to your I think so. Again, we can see it is coming back to, yeah, I think your order got executed. Going up. Yes. Yeah, no, I think your order got executed already because it's 2.38887 going on right now point. 85, 86. I guess, I think your order is placed. I think so. Yeah, I think your order got executed. Yeah, no, I think user 676473, welcome on the live stream. Please don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Click on this more option, join my Telegram channel. I provide you market signals, market update, major news, blah blah thing on that group. Is looking forward to what happens. Yeah, same. So please make sure to join the Telegram channel, okay? 73, welcome on the live stream. Please don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Click on this more option, join my Telegram channel. I provide you market signals, market update, major news, blah blah thing on that group. Is looking forward to what happens. Yeah, same. So please make sure to join the Telegram channel, okay? Abby Abby More. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Abby Abby More. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Dropping down. Rejection. First 20 minute buyers are in the control. First 20 minutes we can see buyers are in the control of the market. First 20 minutes. First 20 minutes buyers are in the control. First 20 minutes we can see buyers are in the control of the market. First 20 minutes. First 20 minutes of the candle buyers are in the control. First 20 minutes of the candle buyers are in the control. Okay. Rejection happening. Okay. Rejection happening. 6.83. Welcome user 539540. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I've given you a trade. It's actually best point for you to enter in the trade because near to my entry the market has came. 6.83. Welcome user 539540. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I've given you a trade. It's actually best point for you to enter in the trade because near to my entry the market has came. Rejecting. Rejecting. Welcome user 996932. Welcome on the live stream. Please don't forget to take a trade in AXSUSDT and join my channel. Okay, in here, if you click more option over here, this is the place where you can join my channel over here. Okay, please don't forget to join my channel. Welcome on the live stream. Please don't forget to take a trade in AXSUSDT and join my channel. Okay, in here, if you click more option over here, this is the place where you can join my channel over here. Okay, please don't forget to join my channel. What's happening? What's happening? Where are these buyers? Black day. What's happening? Where are these buyers? Yes, market. Black day. Okay, rejection happened. Rejection. Okay, it is rejecting. Finally, it is rejecting. Okay, rejection happened. Rejection. Okay, it is rejecting. Finally, it is rejecting. The rejection happened for a very small time. Again, trying to go up. The rejection happened for a very small time. Again, trying to go up. Welcome user 288896. Little difficulties in the trade, little difficulties. But I am sure that fair value gap will be tapped. Okay. Little difficulties. Welcome user 288896. Little difficulties in the trade, little difficulties. But I am sure that fair value gap will be tapped. Okay. Little difficulties. Welcome user 711943. Welcome on the live stream. 633. Half an hour control of the buyers. Welcome user 711943. Welcome on the live stream. 633. Half an hour control of the buyers. Till now, not coming down, not coming down, not coming down, not coming down, not coming down. Welcome Abhijit on the live stream. Welcome Abhijit on the live stream. Something. Showing some signs of rejections. Not much. Some signs of rejections are being shown. Showing some signs of rejections. Not much. Some signs of rejections are being shown. That's the rejection I made from the market. That's the rejection I made from the market. Still rejecting, nothing else. Welcome, user 9926661. Welcome on the live stream. I've given you an AXS USD short trade. Just tap on take a trade over here and take the trade. Still rejecting, nothing else. Welcome, user 9926661. Welcome on the live stream. I've given you an AXS USD short trade. Just tap on take a trade over here and take the trade. I added a stop loss which closed at a trade of could have done it even higher, but forgot I had a stop loss on Lin. Oh, you had a stop loss on shit. Really sorry for that thing. You had a stop loss on. You entered at 2.409, 2.409, somewhere around here. Okay, got it. It is showing a signs of rejection because it is not going above that price level. It is staying at that price level, which is usually happens when the buyers are done and now sellers will enter. Okay, whatever the movement was there, now you can clearly see that a stop has came for the buy. That happens when that there is no strength of buyers left now. Now when you see somebody weak, the dominating side will take over, which is basically our seller side will try to take over the market. I just hope that thing happens. Now you can clearly see that a stop has came for the buy. That happens when that there is no strength of buyers left now. Now when you see somebody weak, the dominating side will take over, which is basically our seller side will try to take over the market. I just hope that thing happens. $17. 13 minus $17. 20 minutes. It should not close as a $13 minus 20 minutes. It should not close as a 'Still rejecting. Come on. This has been the most difficult rate of moving. Like, why? There is one thing in going in my head that it might retest the fair value gap above and then come down. There is also one thing which is going in my head that this can be higher high, higher low situation. So many things in my head, but I want to have a faith in my this thing, which is there is one thing in going in fair value gap over here that it will be tapped. As it is tapped from the fair value gap, it will not go again to the fair value gap this easily. That's the one thing which I am thinking of. So many things in my head, but I want to have a faith in my this thing, which is fair value gap over here. That it will be tapped. As it is tapped from the fair value gap, it will not go again to the fair value gap this easily. That's the one thing which I am thinking of. Look, it started falling again. Look, it started falling again. Okay, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Okay, coming down, coming down, coming down, coming down. Thirteen, 25 rejection are there in the market, but not in a huge way. Best thing about the session is that it is unfiltered. Loss happened in the start and it was right before us, in which it was trying to cover back again. Unlike the most of the session, which always shows only profit doesn't happen when it comes to trade. Yes, exactly my point. If I face loss today, I will shamelessly accept that it was my mistake. That yeah, I made a loss in it. And it's like what I can do in it. It's not my mistake. Okay, but See, rejection happening again. The rejection has happened. The market is dropping down. 9 minutes are left. The best part about right now is the rejection is happening in the ending. Which suggest was that when the next candle will open in the 9 minute, the rejection will continue because sellers are in the last part. Please do not forget to make a deposit over here. Okay, click on a deposit button and click on a deposit and make a deposit.
In the ending, which suggest was that when the next candle will open in the 9 minute, the rejection will continue because sellers are in the last part. Please do not forget to make a deposit over here. Okay, click on a deposit button and click on a deposit and make a deposit.
Again, it is in the rejection. Again, it is in the rejection. Minus 25. It's a bad day today. Today. It's a bad day today. It's a bad day today. Today. It's a bad day today. Started with a red candle, started with rejection. Started with a red candle, started with rejection. Rejection is happening, that's a good sign for us. Okay, this is a good sign. After so long time we are able to see some red rejection from here. Rejection is happening, that's a good sign for us. Okay, this is a good sign. After so long time we are able to see some red rejection from here. It's dropping down, that's a very good sign for us. Straight drop is, that's all we needed. A straight drop in the market is all we needed in the right now market. It's dropping down, that's a very good sign for us. Straight drop is, that's all we needed. A straight drop in the market is all we needed in the right now market. Crashing, but again it's trying to go above here. I'm not liking this. Crashing, but again it's trying to go above here. I'm not liking this. Hmm. Welcome user 260864. Welcome on the live stream. Today's trade is like, I don't know what to say for today's trade. I have no words for today's trade. I hope it will get complete soon. Some rejection will come soon. Hmm. Welcome user 260864. Welcome on the live stream. Today's trade is like, I don't know what to say for today's trade. I have no words for today's trade. I hope it will get complete soon. Some rejection will come soon. Rejection is not continuing that much, and that's the issue is I am facing over here. Rejection is not continuing that much, and that's the issue is I am facing over here. It's dropping. Finally, finally, a good drop, a very good drop is coming now. Okay, let's go. Let's go. That's all I needed. That's exactly what I needed. It's dropping. Finally, finally, a good drop, a very good drop is coming. That's exactly what I needed. Let's go. Let's go. That's all I needed. That's exactly what I needed. That's exactly what I needed. Getting rejected. But I think soon our market will come down from that point. Getting rejected. But I think soon our market will come down from that. 22. Minus 22 we are at, right? Minus 22. That's a huge minus for us. Welcome user 417751. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part over here. 22. Minus 22 we are at, right? I gave a trade in AX USDT short sell, but that trade is not looking good today. Yeah, again after small rejection, you can see again the buyers took over. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. I gave a trade in AX USDT short sell, but that trade is not looking good today. Yeah, again after small rejection, you can see again the buyers took over. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. And another loss. Another $168 loss we had. Another $168 loss gone from the market. And because of sudden liquidity, it came. How to recover from that? Another $168 loss we had. Another $168 loss gone from the market. Because of sudden liquidity, it came. How to recover from that? Gone $168 loss. And this is a point where I should stop trading. This is exactly a point where I should now stop trading and not trade. And don't take a trade right now point. Because if gone $168 loss. And this is a point where I should stop trading. This is exactly a point where I should now stop trading. After hitting, if he's after hitting my liquidation, if he's trying to go down, and that's the most bitchest movement ever a market can make. Today was a heavy loss day, $168 plus 200, almost some around $300 gone. We had 1,000, it became 683 again. If he's trying to go down, and that's the most bitchest movement ever a market can make. Today was a heavy loss day, $168 plus 200, almost. This is exactly a point for where we should like we had 1,000, stop trading. Let's not take a trade kind of stuff. If we keep on taking a trade, another loss we will face, and that I don't want to do. I don't want to go for another loss in the market. We had loss. Okay. Let's delete everything. Yeah, we had a loss. Hello. And this is my point where I should stop trading because again another $168 loss we faced in the market. Okay. This is a point where we should understand one thing. Check out my screenshot on Telegram. Let me know what should I do. Checking out, 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 checking out. Oh, you send me in private? I suggest close it. Seriously, close it. Really sorry for the today, but yes, close it. Your entry point is what? 2.443. 2.443. 2 point. Wait a second. 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 Close it. Your entry is 2409.
But yes,
You have a time, you have time, you like, again you can do the same thing. Don't close with the like this much loss. You can close again back to your nearby entry point. Okay, you can, if you, because your entry is very close, this is your entry over here, 0 point somewhere, yeah, that's the entry only. The next candle will form, it will take time for the next candle to form, but trust me, the volatility is that high that it will tap over here soon. So what you can do is, don't have a profit, don't have a loss, again put the same thing, put the put your target just below 1 point below your entry, so that you won't have a loss. See, it is getting rejected, and that rejection will make it happen over here. So your entry is very close, my entry is not close,
what you can do is, don't have a profit, don't have a loss, again
and I
put
got
the same
liquidated.
thing,
That's the one thing. Yeah.
put your
So just
target
put it at the
just
nearby entry price. Even if you're having
below your
somewhere
entry.
around $5 or $4 loss, that's fine.
See, it is
Close it
getting
with $5 or $4
rejected, and
loss.
that
Just
rejection
for
will
$5 or
make it
$4
happen
loss,
over here.
don't keep on
Your
waiting.
entry
If you
was
see somewhere
rejected,
near
and
5
that is
4,
why you have
it's
closed.
fine. Close it.
And I got liquidated. That's the one thing. Yeah. So just put it at the nearby entry price. Even if you're having somewhere around $5 or $4 loss, that's fine. Close it with $5 or $4 loss. Just for $5 or $4 loss, don't keep on waiting. If you see somewhere near 5 4, it's fine. Close it.
See, it is coming down now. It can come down to your entry point soon. Just close it at your entry point. Don't have a loss.
See, it is coming down now. It can come down to your entry point soon. Just close it at your entry point. Don't have a loss.
Don't forget.
Don't forget.
Welcome user 173683. Any question, any doubt, please tell me. I'm just busy with little telegram. Welcome user 173683. Any question, any doubt, please tell me. I'm just busy with little telegram. Hi, user 147937. Welcome. Hi. How may I can help you? Today we faced a lost. Hi, user your liquidity price for 8. How may I can help you? Today we faced a lost 3. Just over here is your liquidity price 483. Liquidity price for 8. Just over here is your liquidity price 483. Welcome user 281396. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Welcome user 281396. Welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. Wrong decision today. I took a wrong decision. Wrong decision today. I took very wrong decision. Wrong decision today. I took a wrong decision. Wrong decision today. I took very wrong decision. Hmm. Share me UID. 7:28. 30 minutes more is left for the candle to close. Such a bitch candle gave us such a huge loss of 168 first, then 200 and 168. Two loss we had today. Two loss. Two huge loss we faced today. 168 and 200. Two huge losses. 200 and 168. Two loss we had today. Two loss. Two huge loss we faced today. 168 and 200. Two huge losses. Very close to your it's coming more down. Telegram people, I just want to let you know that your it will tap to your entry very very soon. Okay, it will tap to that entry point of Stephanie very soon, so that no loss will be faced. Telegram people, I just want to let you know that your it will tap to your entry very very soon. It will tap to that entry point of Stephanie very soon, so that no loss will be faced. A little more down, and you won't have a loss. Let me just text them.
A little more down, and you won't have a loss.
A little, a little, a little, 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 little more, little more, just little more, just little more. Just a little. Hmm. Closed. Market trade close. Like just see why. Like there might be some reason behind it. What's happening with the gold? Market trade close. Like just see why. There might be some reason behind it. What's happening with the gold? Even this is like you can clearly see even the gold dropped and went back like this. So we are having that volatility in the market today. That's a really thing. If gold is having volatility, then crypto will have massive volatility. That's like it should have then. You can clearly see over here that even the gold for a minute second dropped a complete, then a huge red candle, and now again it is dropping back. We can clearly see how high volatility is today in the market. Even the if gold is having volatility, that means like something is really bad in the market, because gold is one of that market where volatility doesn't happen usually, but we are having volatility in the gold as well, and that's a very strange thing. So having a market drop down and getting loss from the market today is completely fine from my end. Really sorry if you had, if you guys had any kind of losses. I tried my best to not to give you kind of like not to make you have a loss, but we had a loss. We had a loss. We had a loss. We had a loss today. Huge loss today. If I see tomorrow that the target is hit, I will feel pissed. I will feel a lot pissed if I see tomorrow the target is completed or something like that. I'll really feel a lot of pissed. If tomorrow I see it.
If I see tomorrow that the target is hit, I will feel pissed. I will feel a lot pissed if I see tomorrow the target is completed or something. I'll really feel a lot of pissed if tomorrow I see it.
Today was a lost day. It's not a good, happy day for today. But we learned something that not every day is gonna be a profitable day. And that is a complete fine by us. That is completely fine by us. Today was a lost day. It's not a good, happy day for today. But we learned something that not every day is gonna be a profitable day. And that is a complete fine by us. That is completely fine by us. Today was a learning session. Yeah, we had a loss, 200 plus 168 combined loss. After one loss, I should have waited for at least 5 minutes before entering again in the market, but I didn't. And that's where things went wrong. That's exactly where things went wrong. I should have, like, once you have a loss, you should always step back and look at the market one time. And why? Let me just tell you why there is a volatility in the market. See, right now people are getting very confused between what to pick. Shall we go for gold? Shall we go for cryptocurrency? If you look at cryptocurrency, what's happening in the cryptocurrency is like major financial firms and the big player, they are trying to change their movement. Like they are shifting their money from their ETF and shifting it to Prime Coinbase to sell, and that is creating what, a major fear in the market. If you can clearly see over here, today's fear is what? Today's fear is 29 in the greed. Fear and greed index today is 29 because of major people doing a sell today. And that's where we got hit with volatility. That's exactly a place which we got hit with volatility. Even though we went for with fear itself, okay, we never went with some other thing, we went with fear, that let's just go for fear, like let's do sell. I preferred sell, but even in that preferred sell, you can clearly see how much of volatility is changing in the market again. Like after giving us a very good red reaction, now again market is dropping down. If in the morning I see same thing coming down till this point, I'll get pissed because of the volatility. I'm losing money. I'll seriously, for real, I'll get pissed. If in the morning I see same thing coming down till this point, I'll get pissed because of seriously, for real, I'll get pissed. Yeah. We will cover up. No need to fear. We will cover up. I'm the thinking I'll cover up this thing in the night itself. Somehow. Some different coin or maybe something. But yeah, true factor, like I was telling you all people regarding that, we are having this 29 fear. We are having a fear of 29 over here. Everybody is having a sell side. They are selling the market, but at the same point, with a major sell, volatility increase because of the buy situation as well. Understanding my point? I know it's very hard to understand the volatility. Once you increase the sell, obviously people will have to buy as well, right? And that's the thing which is increasing the volatility. 29 fear was today. I thought we will gain a very good straight up amount of money today. Really, really appreciated this thing. That straight up small amount of money will earn, but no. But no. Have to buy as well, right? And that's the thing which is increasing the volatility. 29 fear was today. I thought we will gain a very good straight up 2.97 trillion overall view. We can clearly see, is there any community article we should read or we should focus on in the next 6 minutes? Yeah, in the next 6 minutes I'm gonna close this live stream. Okay guys, I'm gonna close this live stream in the next 6 minutes. I'm just gonna read some things. New meme coin is being compared to the penguin coin is considered as a blah blah blah. US rare jump, earth jump 21%, US government lose funding over. Why people are majorly selling it? Like there is not even like the Clarity Act is not even here. It's not even here. It's like they have not even announced it. They just said it random. They just said it that this might happen. And can you see the whole crypto price today? XRP is growing good because XRP is a payment gateway. Okay, and now most of, like I said to you, like most of the Bitcoin treasury, yeah, most of these people are, they are trying to sell the market. Like more, I saw GameStop. I saw two to three more whales who sold a good amount of $1 million worth of Bitcoin on the Coinbase, and that's the one reason why we had a epic drop. And obviously, XRP is nothing other than a payment gateway. It's a payment gateway. It's not something, for example, like a coin. It's a coin, but it's a payment gateway coin. A lot of people used XRP as a payment gateway, and that's the one reason why we are seeing XRP is the only one with a growth, and none of these coins are having growth. Bitcoin is 1.33% down. Ethereum is 1.2% down. BNB is 0.8. Solana is 2% down. Only and only XRP, a payment gateway coin, is 1.55% up today in the market. Okay, that's a one sad thing that we had a loss today, but it is totally fine. Like I said to you, like profit and loss is a part of the trade. If we had a loss today, that is totally fine. Tomorrow will be a profit day as well. Tomorrow is going to be a profit day. I'll make sure that I first I will make sure that let's not go for like that kind of trade, like where we are pressure, like we are entering in very rush way. That was the first mistake. That's the first mistake I did, that I didn't analyze the market perfectly. Okay, I didn't saw complete scenario. I just saw a big candle and I just entered with a big candle, and that's the mistake I did. That's the exact mistake I did. That's the exact mistake I did. fine. But so I just want to say you all people like thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part. I will take a leave right now. And before leaving, just 4 to 5 stuffs like today was a lost day. We couldn't achieve a profit in the market. And that is totally fine as we are able to see like all the market is dumping. And this dump was the reason why I went for the short sell. But volatility hit me. This is a place where volatility hit me. But if I'll be very pissed if I see legitly like I said, like if I see the market over 1.91, where is 9? Over here, if I see my market in the morning, that will be a very bad thing for me because it will be like I really think like can you see a very rejection candle, a red color candle forming, and it has a very huge rejection from the bottom. We are almost in the closing point of the 10-minute closing and the candle is still down. I really think that this candle is going to be a downside candle where we can have a sell, but still it is tempting. That's why I am not gonna enter. I already faced loss twice in the AXS USDT today, so I'm not gonna enter it. That's how a discipline goes. You face loss, have a pullback, sit back, think what you did, think what went wrong. Even if the market will touch down over here, it is completely fine. I just don't want to. That's all. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget that one thing, that if you do a deposit from my deposit button, you get one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. All the time, understand this and make sure that you are doing a deposit from my deposit button only to gain benefits, to gain gifts, and join my Telegram channel. This is that Telegram channel in which I share everything regarding market, like what happened and blah blah thing. So today I have to post, tell them like I had a loss of blah 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 money, and I hope we will recover. So thank you so much, all the people. I will see